Hi, thanks for checking out this video. Over the past 2 weeks of my vacation, I've been working on a data project. And throughout that project, I've been providing blog posts with status updates. I thought it'd be fun for my last status update to be a video. Before I get started, a big thank you to those of you who called and texted to remind me this isn't a normal way to spend a vacation. I totally get that. But given that I couldn't travel anywhere, I figured I'd spend some time exercising some curiosity and maybe learning something. So with that, I just want to cover 3 things here. 1 is summarize what the data project was. 2, show you what I actually built. And 3, talk to you about what I'll be doing next. So first, what was this data project? The idea is dealing with the old garbage in, garbage out problem. And in this case, I had a data stream where data was missing. And so I wanted to come up with a process to be aware of where those data points were missing, so I could try to either repair those points or call those points failures. To do that, I built the following. Up in the top layer, we see this data acquisitions activity group. And here, on a per minute basis, I'm attempting to pull stock price data throughout the day. And while I'm trying to get stock data every minute, there's an intentional flaw where some minutes are accidentally being dropped. So this process uses Lambda, tries to go and grab some data, pushes it into a data stream, moves that data into a data lake, and makes it available for querying via a data catalog. Now, every hour, my data repair activities process spins up, which is the lower box. And what happens here is that we look back at the previous hour of data to determine whether or not any minutes are missing. If no minutes are missing, we'll go ahead and label the data as healthy. If minutes are missing, we'll attempt to do a repair. And what a repair means is trying to go back in time and ask the data source whether or not they can give us the stock price for the missing minute of whatever stock symbol is missing. And if that repair is successful, we'll go ahead and push that data back into another data stream and write that back to the data lake. If that repair process isn't successful, then we'll go ahead and call that symbol and missing minute a failure and write back to the data lake that that data point is in fact missing. That way, whenever any of our data customers come and queries our data lake, they'll at least always get 60 minutes of data. Ideally, it's all healthy or repaired, and occasionally some of it might be failed. So what's going to happen next? I'm going to let this run for a week, and I'm curious what type of challenges I didn't quite anticipate while this runs throughout the day, really while this runs continuously. I'm already anticipating some challenges that some data just can't be repaired. I'm anticipating some challenges with Lambda resource availability. I've already seen some weird glitches where Lambdas just weren't available. And basically, while this project began as a data engineering exercise, it's going to conclude as a data analytics exercise to really kind of measure how successful my repair operation was. So with that, another big thank you for following along these past couple of weeks. It's been an absolute blast for me working on it, and it's been really fun hearing your feedback and getting your thoughts. And as soon as I push out the final blog post that details the infrastructure and the analytics, I'd love to hear your thoughts then too. Thanks so much.